Hello, hello. I have another load of Bobcat digger machines. Okay, so we know that we done the small ones before, but this big one, this big one right here, is my first time. So I was told I had to use 2 chains and 4 binders for this. So I took the 1 chain, you set it up like how I did these ones here. Set it up like this, but for the bigger one you want to stretch this out a little bit further so you could hook the binder up here to there and vice versa to there. I'm gonna go around the other side here. So I did. So this unit weighs like 20, this big one here weighs like 21,000 pounds. So 4 points of securement at 6,600 pounds times 4. These are rated for 4,700 pounds times 2. So 66 times 4, 47 times 2. If I knew, if there was a way, if anybody has any recommendations for the features, I've almost felt comfortable using 2 chains. And these are 5/16. I could probably get away. I would probably feel better if they were 3/8 chains. You guys let me know. So this one in the back, that's 8,600 pounds. This is 21,000 pounds. And that was 9,600 pounds. Of course, gotta put a chain on the front, put a binder right there, and you gotta have a strap to hold this down. Same thing for this big boy. Chain here, binder there, strap, binder, chain, binder. So this is about 39,000 pounds in total. I thought I was getting skid steers. Guess not. But hey, I'll take it. All these are going to North Carolina. Thanks for tuning in.